Hi y'all, I'm Chase, and this is my 2017 Road King, the Milwaukee-Eight 107, affectionately known as Alice. And today I found out that the filter I was about to change was faulty. The inside of the filter was the exact part that was bad. I'm going to put some pictures up of the brand spanking new filter I bought, the interior of it. Inside, there are holes so the oil can circulate through the filter and be filtered before going back through the engine. Usually they're just punched out holes. Well, Harley has switched to a louver system, I guess. And the new ones, the louvers weren't open. Not all the way, not even close. It was real bad. Like probably 75% closed. And if they were open, they would have had minimal flow at best, even with the ones that were open. It was pretty bad. I'm going to put up a picture here of what the bad one looks like. And here is the one that was still good, that was on my bike, that I changed anyways because I couldn't be sure that it was good. This one was bought 3/31 of 2022, so this year, but in March. And the other one was bought recently 2 weeks ago. That was 8/13/2022, so that was August 13th of 2022. The one from August 13th is the bad one. So if you are going and buying a brand spanking new filter from Harley, make sure you inspect it like no tomorrow. I'm going to try to get a hold of Harley. I put this up on HD forums already. I'll leave a link down in the description. Hopefully from the pictures you guys can tell what I'm talking about. But if that stops, that's not going to flow very well. And that's going to probably cause damage to your engine. So that's going to be real bad. And if you're out of warranty like I am, that would have really infuriated me. I'd have had a full-blown meltdown. Mostly because if I can't trust you to do something as simple as stamping out holes into, pot metal, I can't, trust you to get the spring right for the, oil bypass valve. Or maybe the oil bypass valve, the plastic on that isn't what it's supposed to be. It's not properly made. Or maybe the rubber isn't properly made. Or or maybe the filter media isn't up to snuff. So I think you understand what I mean by that. I will try to contact Harley themselves. I did take the filter back and dropped it off at Adventure Harley-Davidson in Dover. I talked to the guy in the parts counter. They just wanted to swap it out. I said no. I went to the store and got a K&N for the time being. The other one I usually use is Wix. I think it's a 51948. I think I'll put it down in the comments. The K&N is a KN171B, I believe, for the black, and KN171C for the chrome. But yeah, this is, I wanted to get this out because I don't want to see people, lose their pride and joy, I guess. That's what you want to call it. Their motorcycles. It's, the hell, it's a part of your family. So if you're a bigger channel and you're watching this, please share this. I don't have many followers. That would be very, very helpful because, the more people that see this, the better. I don't want to see people, that say you're out of warranty and, that thing doesn't flow enough oil and your engine breaks down. I mean, it's pretty much like shutting off, one of your arteries. It's not going to be good. So, but if you're a larger channel and you're watching this, please share it. I don't want to see anyone lose their bike or lose their motor or have to pay an exorbitant fee for something as simple and well, something that should be as simple as an oil filter. The other thing I wanted to say was, if you're before 331 of 22, you might be okay. But I can't tell you if that's when it started or not, or if it started after. All I know is it's a problem right now. So if you need to do an oil change, or you've been suspecting your engine's running harder, or you're hearing a lot of, mechanical noise, or you may want to check your filter. So I hope that's helped. I know, the Harley community is huge, and I'm not, banging on Harley. Stuff happens. You pick a new manufacturer, and sometimes their QC isn't up to snuff. That's quality control, by the way. I've seen it with cars. I've seen it with medical equipment. I've had a lot of different jobs in my life, so I've seen a lot of crap go down. So, well, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Flick that ding-a-ling if you want to be notified of any new videos I come out with. If you do subscribe, it helps with the YouTube algorithm. And bye, y'all.